Today, we are mastering the pronunciation of the large Central African country using simple, everyday words to lock it in your memory. Many people blend the abbreviation incorrectly or misplace the rhythm, but the correct American pronunciation is DR Congo. Let's break it down into three easy syllables. DR, con, go. For the first syllable, you just say the individual letters for a medical professional, which is DR. The second syllable sounds exactly like a giant historical con artist or a trickster, which is a con. The final syllable is just the action word to move forward or leave, which is go. Now put those objects together. DR Congo, DR Con Go. DR Congo. The initials DR stand for Democratic Republic. The name Congo originates from the historic Congo Kingdom, which was named after the local Bantu people of the region and sits along the massive, deep Congo River. Did matching the doctor letters, the con, and the word go help you remember how to say it? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more clever travel and country pronunciation hacks.